everyone, Amanda here from Test Equipment Depot. Today I'm going to show you what's in the box of the Fluke Networks CIQ-KIT Qualifier Tester. Open up the box and we pull out the soft carrying case, which includes the unit as well as all of the accessories. We have the CableIQ Reporter PC software, the Getting Started Guide, 2 RJ45 patch cords, 1 coax F push-on adapter, 1 USB interface cable, and the actual qualification tester, which includes the 4 AA batteries. Additionally, the kit also includes the Intelitone Pro 200 probe, the Remote Identifier Kit, which includes 6 remote office IDs, as well as an Ethernet cable and 9-volt battery for the Intelitone probe. And lastly, for the soft carrying case that fits the entire kit, we also have a shoulder strap, which makes it easy for on the go. For more information on the Fluke Network CIQ-KIT qualification tester, click on the link below. Thanks for watching another video from Test Equipment Depot.